channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look. It's the second look that I'm doing with the, okay, well first of all, if it isn't so fucked up, I'd be proud of it. Hello. The Latte palette by Dominique Cosmetics right here. Boop. This. I started off with my bottom lash line already done, but it was already done from the previous tutorial. I really like how this look came out. I will see you guys very soon. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. And yeah, I'll leave a link to the where you can get this palette down below. Okay, love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.
Okay, so I'm starting off by using the shade Vanilla Cream, which is just this light banana shade that's nice to start off with a clean base. Then I'm taking Caramel on the same brush. It's a Morphe 433, but any blending brush will do. I'm starting to create a rounded shape with this, and that's going to be my dominant shape, but I usually like to wing out my transition shade anyway, because it does help elongate my eye. But you want that main shape to be a sort of rounded halo, and the lid is the center. Once that is blended, I'm picking up Cold Brew on a flat eyeshadow brush. This is just a standard C-shaped brush, and I'm packing that on the inner and outer corner of the eye. This brush was a little too big for my eyelids, but I tried making it work. I'm adding powder under my eyes to prevent fallout from the dark shade, but you don't have to do this. You can bring this as high as you want, but I kept this look more low-key. And I blend it out and keep building the color, and I'm kind of connecting it into the center right above the lid and blending it into the crease. Then I grabbed some concealer on this tiny brush and painted out a lid for myself, and I definitely could have done a better job, but you get the gist of it. I'm fading it into the outer and inner corner and setting it with this beautiful metallic shade called Macchiato. If you watched my other tutorial using this shade, you would have seen the magic this does to your cheeks. It is so blinding and pretty, you're gonna die. Okay, now I added this to the bottom lash line, but you don't have to. I just wanted to match it to the top. And the bottom is just Cold Brew blended using a small dome brush, easy peasy. Adding more mascara to cover up the eyeshadow that fell on them and applying falsies to make my lashes look longer and fluffier. Then I'm lining my lips using Mac's Stripdown liner and filling it in with the Marc Beauty Sugar Enamored lip gloss. Thank you everyone for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.